Hello everyone. The application that I decided to use and to narrate about is Epic or getepic.com. Um, this app I feel, is very useful, and the affordances of this app is that it makes finding books easy. It puts it at your fingertip, and not only does it provide um, books that can be read aloud, but it also provides ebooks that you can read to the students yourself. Another cool feature about it that I like is that you can go to, let's say that you want to search winter books, so you type in winter, and here are all the books that you can pick, and it gives you the age groups of what um, the book falls under. So let's say you want to do 1 through 4. So you have this book called Kitten's Winter. So you click on that and it pulls up the book here. So you can see it has 27 pages, and you can also see here that it has an option for a quiz. So I find this very useful because it helps students to kind of recollect and recall details of the story. Um, so here you can see in the right top corner, you can see my name is Perry. And you can see that you can find in the bold under the word winter, you can find read to me books or audiobooks. So some educational uses for this would be that it helps you to narrow down your searches when you're trying to find specific books about specific content. Like let's just type in Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, it pulls up all these different books. You have nonfiction, you have fiction. It shows you the reading levels. So it's really great content here. Another educational use is that it helps you to focus on the content area um, that you're trying to teach in, so you can narrow down the searches and also search by grade level. So this helps you to also follow the curriculum because it helps you to stay focused on the search that you're trying to um, conduct.